Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to export as MP3 in Shotcut, render only audio, Shotcut tutorial. So for us to be able to do so, let's open Shotcut first onto your device. And once you're already in, just choose in the project when you want to go ahead and export as an MP3. So I have here a sample video or clip already added onto my project, and for us to be able to go ahead and export the MP3 in here, so just click on export icon here onto the upper part. Right after here, onto the preset, we're going to scroll down until we find in the audio, and we'll have to click on MP3. So right after you have clicked onto MP3, click onto export file. Right after choosing where you want to go ahead and save this, click on save. And right after, it will gonna go ahead and show you this prompt. Click onto yes in here, and we'll have to wait until that one is done here under jobs. So you should be able to see the progress of the exporting that is happening onto your device. So we'll have to wait for that, and you should be able to see a check mark once that one is done. Now, so you can see we have finished already exporting the clip. And if we go ahead and head onto the folder wherein we have chosen to save the MP3, then we should be able to see it in here already downloaded. And that is how easy you could export as MP3 in Shotcut, render only audio, Shotcut tutorial. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.